Every storage unit carries more than tissue. It holds the dream of a future family. In your clinic, there's no room for compromise. When storage space is limited or embryologists are stretched thin, the wrong equipment can cost time, money, and create unnecessary risk. Outsourcing is out of the question with couples' precious embryos, eggs, and sperm samples. Introducing the IVF CRYO-One storage unit. The industry's most innovative solution includes 700% more storage than a standard roller-based doer and 30% more than comparable alternatives. Eliminate the need for multiple storage rooms or renovations. Reclaim space, avoid costly expansions, and keep all your inventory and revenue in-house. Autofill technology eliminates manual checks and refills, letting embryologists focus on high-value work instead of time-consuming maintenance. Our patented cryogenic lighting activates automatically upon opening the lid, improving visibility for every tissue retrieval. Streamline workflow efficiency and find samples faster with a rotating design, pre-labeled racks, and industry-exclusive auto-defogging capabilities. Everything's within reach, literally. With waist height access, a tilted digital interface, and easy lift hinged lid, staff enjoy a more comfortable work environment with less strain, stress, and user error. 24/7 monitoring, access control security enhancements, and comprehensive audit trails support compliance and protect your samples. Even in a power outage or when the unexpected hits, a backup battery ensures workflows aren't interrupted and keeps the IVF CRYO-One's tissue monitoring on high alert. In IVF, there are no second chances, only one opportunity to protect the potential for life. Choosing the right equipment is choosing to protect life's precious tissue in the most safe and secure manner, providing peace of mind for your team and your patients. Because you're not just storing tissue, you are protecting future families. The IVF CRYO-One. One unit performing the job of 7. One fully integrated monitoring system. One complete solution.